In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a voiceover for your video clip. If you scroll to the second toolbar, you will find a button that says Voice, and in there you can record a voiceover. Let's try that. This is the new voiceover for my video clip. When you're finished, you hit the Save button. Right, now we have a voiceover on our video clip. It's the little blue button, and the little blue button can actually be moved on the timeline, which means that you can place this voiceover wherever you want in the video clip. So what happens now is that you have both the voiceover and the original audio on the video clip, like this. This I will show you how is the new voice. Well, that does not sound very good. So if I go into my voiceover, I can change the volume in the voiceover audio by sliding the volume slider. But I can also go into the actual waveform and then select in the waveform if there's anywhere I want to mute the actual voiceover. So here I can take the audio from the voiceover and I can mute it in the timeline to make the original audio take over from there. But if you don't want any of the original audio, you can just mute the original audio for the duration of your voiceover by the mute button. This is the new voiceover for my video clip. Okay, that sounded a lot better. So now I'm satisfied and I can hit the OK button. I can still move the voiceover around, but now it will mute the background audio wherever I put it. If you're working with a video with more clips, you can adjust the audio level on each separate clip. Just click on the loudspeaker icon on the video clip. Here you can adjust the audio level for each video clip. The next button shows the actual waveform for the audio on the video clip. You can select a point in the video clip and you can reduce the audio for the rest of the clip or even mute it. You can also split the audio from the video in order to work with the two files separately. When you are finished separating the audio clip, you can select it, see the waveform, you can adjust the level for each video clip, and you can mute the whole audio track totally. And that you can do for all your video clips.